come back hoping to have a nice shower. The tank was full, and this is what I find. It's bone dry. And what's even worse, what's even worse, a while back we joined the two tanks, this one and this one near the door. So what's going to happen, or what has happened, is when that one drains, it's going to drain this one as well. So I don't know how much water I got left in that front tank, probably not much. And looking back in retrospect, should have kept them separate. So if one empties, I've still got one full.